pause this video and see if you can solve this SAT math problem. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay, so we're given a quadratic function, ax squared plus 4x plus c. It's a parabola that opens upwards and it has a vertex, hk, and k is less than 0, and you're given f of -9 equals f of 3. Okay, so which of these conditions are true? So the first step we want to do is to find the x value of the vertex, h, okay, of the vertex. So we are given that f of -9. So what that means is, if you have a parabola and if you have the same y value or f of x value for two x values, so what the x value of the vertex is going to be between those two x values, okay, because the parabola is going to be basically symmetric. So and then you have the same y value, so between those y values you'll get the x value of the vertex. So in this case we have f of -9 and is equal to f of 3. So between -9 and 3, what is that point? So if you add it and divide by 2, that's 9. -9 plus 3 is 12 divided by 6. 6 units away from -9 is -3. So it's going to be -3, the x value of the vertex. Also, the x value of the vertex is minus b by 2a. Remember? So from b value is 4. So minus 4 by 2a is equal to -3. We just found out the x value of the vertex to be -3. Okay, let's go ahead and solve for a then. So let's cross multiply. So a is going to be -4 divided by -3 comes here, so -6. That's basically negatives cancel, is going to be equal to 2/3. So that's the a value. Now h has been calculated, the x value of the vertex. Let's find the k. Okay, so we also see quickly here that the condition a greater than equal to 1 is not met here because a is 2/3. So we can go ahead and cancel the b and also c, because c says 2 is correct. So that's also wrong. So let's go ahead and substitute the a into the equation now. So 2/3, and what is the x value of the vertex? Is -3. So -3 whole squared plus 4 times -3 plus c. So that is equal to k. So let's go ahead and solve that. So we get 9 times 2/3, that is going to be equal to 6 minus 12 plus c. So that's -6 plus c is going to be our k value. Now remember, k is less than 0. Okay, so let's substitute this for k. So if k is less than 0, -6 plus c also must be less than 0. So let's go ahead and solve for c. Then we have c equals, bring this to the other side, is, I'm sorry, c is less than 6. So c is any value that's less than 6. Okay, so the condition that c is only less than 0 is not met here, because c is less than 6. C could be 2, c could be -1, c could be anything less than 6. So the condition that c is only going to be less than 0 is also not true. So then basically what we have is 1 only is also incorrect. So the answer choice D is correct, neither 1 nor 2. Okay, let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll talk to you in the next video. Have a nice day. Bye.